welcome back to Food Couture. This is Vishruti. So here I am to make chocolate almond clusters which can be made very easily and can be made in no time. So why to wait? Let's get started. Firstly, we'll take 1 cup of almonds. Oven is already preheated at 150 degrees for 15 minutes. Now we will melt the dark compound chocolate in microwave for 30 seconds for 2 times. Now you can see that the chocolate is completely melted. Make sure that the lumps are not found. Now we'll add roasted almonds into the chocolate. Now we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll place a mixture to it. Now we will place this mixture on it. Now we'll sprinkle some sea salt. Now we'll freeze it for 10 minutes. Now you can see that it is completely freezed. Now it is ready to serve. We will be back with such more easy and quick recipes. Keep watching us. Till that time, happy cooking!